What's up guys, this is Just Team. Today I'll upload about Morph, which raised $20 million in funding from VCs like Dragonfly and Pantera in March. Currently it is in the testnet phase and you can aim for an airdrop. In today's video, we will not only cover Morph but also the testnet tasks for a dApp called PingPong. This allows us to target airdrops for 2 projects simultaneously. If you follow the tasks I show in the video step by step, anyone can easily participate. This could eventually come back to you as a small gift, so I encourage you to give it a try. All the links for the tasks performed in the video are listed in the video description, so please refer to that. You can see that the tasks are not difficult when you follow along with the video. While it may seem tedious, that's often the nature of airdrop tasks. Among them, airdrop tasks have the potential to yield significant profits from projects you didn't expect. Since it's a task where you don't invest any money, there's no reason not to do it. If there are any parts you don't understand, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment anytime or come to my channel and ask. If you don't have enough Holeskey Faucet, please feel free to leave your wallet address comfortably. I hope you'll join me on the journey to financial freedom. If today's video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Thank you.